Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Furbo dog camera is not connecting or not working, it is usually due to Wi-Fi issues, app problems, or sometimes the setup errors. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to make sure that the camera is properly powered on. You need to check the LED indicators and it should be on or blinking depending on the status. If there is no light at all, you can try a different power cable or even the different power outlet. Now, after doing this first step, the second thing that you need to do is to simply use the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. The Furbo cameras usually work only on the 2.4 networks and not the 5 gigahertz. So you need to make sure that your phone and the camera are connected to the same network during the setup. Now you need to also open the Furbo application on your phone and you need to remove the camera from it. After that, simply add it again and follow the steps in order to basically set it up correctly. Make sure that you also enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, what you can do is you can just simply reset your camera. For that, you need to locate the reset button, then press and hold it and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now wait for the LED to change and then it is going to be into the setup mode. So you need to set it up again from the scratch. So that's how you can fix a turbo dog camera which is not connecting or not working in 2026. So you can try all of these methods one by one and it will be working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.